That was a rumor until we got the video. Apparently the next day, a particular entertainer put up that our champion girls them win, and she don't know how so bad and our champion girl win a bigger power boxer. So everybody in the street obviously will get beat up. So I'm like, okay, but it's time for the video come out because I remember us getting that beaten. I was in the party dancing because there was a promoter from Canada there. She said, "Sure, we love you guys," and she just want to see what us do one style here. I'm like, okay. Like a dance for you. So I'm a dance and mash up the club and the people in my real. Then I tell Ikel, say, Ikel Marvelous. I say, Ikel, now go on my brother. Call you my Michelle show you for you. When I take a check, there's one person I say, sure. And the last song this morning dance with me. And him drop Spice Niggle Eye. When him drop the Spice Niggle Eye, the girl is swinging at the niggle and bunks me. I'm like, are you serious? That's when everything kind of kick off. Yeah, Nikisha was there and Renee, because everybody was dancing. So nobody never really paid attention because it happened so quick. Because even Ikel himself was playing and Ikel not even catch on quick. Because if you listen to the video, you listen when Ikel catch on, or you might tell the people themselves, take them out of the club, but I'm going to tell my sister them so. Because everybody knows say, sure now goes to trouble her. When I really know them come from Moby and I not see them on trouble. Renee see the flex when Renee does running. So same time as Renee running, she and the girl are fight and Renee slip and jump. That's why in the video you see that Renee kick because she side and she jump and the girl fling kicks or Renee fling back kicks. It's not nothing too serious what can I say. A war did need to call for. If you understand what I mean. It was just between us as dancer and the entertainer that we did the dance for. So that them nothing to do with them. Them just come from nowhere and pick it up on them end because them dancing for the entertainer now. Their comment before everything kick off was, what is some wannabe dancehall queens? So when I saw the comment, one of our fans them send it to us, I know fans them love it. When the fans them send it to us, so them say, oh, them a throw it. And is it, you know, so I said, no, I can't we because we and them not have nothing. Me never see them in trouble and me never see them in trouble because everybody's dancer. Everybody have to eat a food because it is obvious everybody eat. So I could we them attack, but I know I say we them did attack.